After the Civil War, a new America briefly emerged, an America where freedom was not just promised, but practiced. Black men voted, Black leaders took office, Black communities built schools, businesses, and governments of their own. For the first time in this nation's history, democracy expanded to include the people who had built the country without ever sharing in its power. But that moment of possibility was never allowed to last. The destruction of Reconstruction was not a failure of policy. It was a deliberate campaign, a coordinated effort to crush Black political power at its roots. Violence was organized, elections were targeted, governments were overthrown, and every step of progress was met with a strategy designed to erase it. Paramilitary groups marched openly in the streets. Voters were threatened, beaten, and killed. Ballot boxes were stuffed or stolen. Entire towns were attacked for daring to participate in democracy. And when violence wasn't enough, new laws were written to finish the job. Poll taxes, literacy tests, segregation, disenfranchisement disguised as procedure. Then came the final blow. The truth itself was buried. Textbooks rewrote the story. Monuments honored the people who destroyed Reconstruction, not the ones who built it. Generations were taught that Reconstruction collapsed under its own weight, when in reality, it was dismantled piece by piece. This series uncovers that truth. It exposes the blueprint. It follows the steps taken to destroy a rising Black democracy and replace it with nearly a century of oppression. This is the story of how Reconstruction was overthrown. This is the story America tried to forget. This is the destruction of Reconstruction. This is Black Justice Untold. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.